Hello genius, welcome to my YouTube channel. This will be explaining. When a conical bottle rests on its flat base, the water in the bottle is 12 centimeters from its vertex. When the same conical bottle with the same amount of water is turned upside down, the water level is 3 centimeters from its base. Find the height of the bottle. So this is a conical bottle resting on its base. We are saying that the water in the bottle is 12 centimeters from its vertex, as you can see here. Have sketch. Then when the same is turned upside down, the water level from its base is 3 centimeters. So let's start with this one. This is the water in the bottle. So we are going to find the volume of water in this. Let's call this case 1. The volume of water. The volume of this water is the volume of this cone minus the volume of this small cone up here. And remember, we have this height, and it's the required height, the height h from this point to this point. So we say that the volume of water that's case 1 is a third pi r square h, that the volume of the whole of this, minus a third pi r square h. This is the h, and this is the smaller cone. So if we remove that space, we remain with the volume of water in the bottle. This is the same as pi over 3 r square h minus pi over 3 r square, and our h is 12 times 12. This h up there. Are we there? At this point, we shall use this relation that h over h is equals to r over r, where h is this height, small h is this 12, r is the radius of the smaller cone here. Capital R is the radius of the larger cone, small r is the radius of the smaller cone. So this is h over 12 is equals to r over r. We make small r the subject of the formula, and this becomes r is equals to 12r over h. So we shall substitute this in this. Are we there? So just substitute. Where we have r, small r, we put this. And now we have the volume of water as pi over 3 r squared h minus pi over 3 times r squared. So this one, 12 r over h squared times 12. Are we there? This becomes pi over 3 r squared h minus 12 over 3 pi, this squared is 144 r squared over h squared. Okay, if we simplify this, it becomes pi over 3 r squared h minus, this times this, we get 1728 pi r squared over 3h squared. We can factorize, or we can factor pi r square, pi over 3 r square outside, and say pi over 3 r squared into h minus 1728 over h squared. Hope you understand, genius, what I'm doing here. After that, let's move to case 2. I'm saying that this is the volume of water. So, case 2, when the cone is turned upside down. It's a cone turned upside down. Okay. Let's say this is the level of water in the cone, and we have been told that the same amount is turned upside. The water level is 3 centimeters from its base. So this is the base. So 3 centimeters. This is the water inside. So we shall also find the volume of water. In this case 2. Volume of water is just the volume of this cone here, this one. And the volume of this, remember, from this point to this point is the same height h. Is the same height h. So this is h. Are we there? This is 3 centimeters. So the height of this smaller cone, the height h of this smaller cone will be h minus 3. Are we there? H minus 3 will be the height of this cone. So the volume becomes a third pi r square h, which is a third pi times the radius, that is r squared, times h. Our h is h minus 3. Remember, this is equals to h. Also, we shall use this relation that h over h is equals to r over r. In this case, our h is h minus 3. Are we there? H is, I say, but h is h minus 3. So this becomes h over h minus 3. Are you there? Is equals to r over r, making r the subject of the formula, small r the subject of the formula. R is equals to r into h minus 3 over h. Now our volume will be, the volume will be a third pi r, and our r now is the capital R, that is r h minus 3 over h. Are we there? Squared times height. Height is h minus 3. Hope you understand. Okay. This is the same as pi over 3 rh minus 3r over h squared h minus 3. If we square this in brackets, will be pi over 3 times what's in the brackets now after squaring. It is r squared h squared minus 6h. It is 6r squared plus 9r over h squared times h minus 3. Are we there? So after this, what are you going to do? We shall equate, because it's the same amount of water in the two cases. This volume of water will be equal to this volume of water. So we shall equate the two equations. we shall equate the two expressions or the two volumes, this one here and this one, and we shall say that this one pi over 3r squared into h minus 1728 over h squared is equals to this pi over 3 r squared into h squared minus 6. There was a mistake here. This is 6rh, yeah, 6rh. So it's minus 6h plus 9, the whole of this over h squared, out there, times h minus 3. So that this and this one cancels. We remain with h minus 1728 over h squared is equals to h squared minus 6h plus 9 over h squared h minus 3. At this point, we multiply both sides by h squared to get rid of this h down here. H squared, and this becomes h cubed minus 1728 is equals to h squared minus 6h plus 9 h minus 3. This will give us h cubed minus 1728 is equals to h cubed minus 6h squared plus 9h minus 3h squared plus 18h minus 27. This h cubed and this h cubed goes. We remain with negative 6h squared plus 9h minus 3h squared plus 18h minus 27 is equals to minus 1728. We collect like terms, and this becomes negative 9h squared out there, plus 27h plus, it's minus 27 is equals to negative 1728. This is negative h squared plus 27h. This becomes plus 1701 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, which is the same as h squared minus 3h minus 189 is equals to 0. We can use a quadratic formula. H is equals to negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. In this case, our a is 1, b is negative 3, and c is negative 189. So we say that h is equals to 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times a, that's 1, times negative 189 under square root over 2 times 1. We get h as 3 plus or minus 765 under square root over 2. So h is equals to plus 3 plus or minus 27.66. h is equals to 3 plus 27.66 over 2, we get 15.33 centimeters. Or h is equals to 3 minus 27.66 over 2, we get negative 12.33 centimeters. But the height cannot be a negative. The height cannot be a negative. Or the length cannot be negative. So our answer is positive. Since h is equals to 15.33 centimeters, since h is greater than 0. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in next video. Take care, genius. If you have any suggestion or anything to say about my tutorials here, please let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.